Faceless YouTube channel is here. Ever wondered how to go live on YouTube without showing your face? In this video, I reveal essential tips and tools to create engaging videos to keep viewers coming back, all while staying behind the scenes. Whether you're focusing on money, success tips, side hustles, or self-help, here's a description that maintains the essence of your message while enhancing clarity and engagement, or any other niche. This video equips you with strategies to quickly achieve those crucial watch hours, possibly in as little as 7 days. It's perfect for creators aiming to grow and monetize their faceless YouTube channels with ease and efficiency. Faceless content creation. Learn to create videos without showing your face. Engaging live streams. Discover techniques to captivate your audience. Quick monetization. Achieve 1,000 watch hours in just 7 days. Focus on storytelling. Tailor content to this unique niche. Behind-the-scenes success. Remain anonymous while growing your channel. Audience retention strategies. Keep viewers coming back for more. Secrets revealed. Uncover tips for successful faceless streaming. Anonymity in content creation. Creating faceless content allows creators to maintain privacy while reaching a wide audience. This method can attract viewers who prefer storytelling over personal branding. Engagement techniques. Using visuals, sound effects, and captivating storytelling can enhance your video and keep the audience engaged. These elements make the content relatable and immersive, increasing viewer retention. Quick path to monetization. Achieving 1,000 watch hours in 7 days requires strategic planning and consistent content delivery. This can significantly shorten the time to monetize, making it appealing for new creators. Niche focus. Focusing on a topic that you're passionate with not only fills a unique content gap but also attracts a specific audience that are interested, boosting channel growth. Staying behind the scenes. Many viewers appreciate anonymity, allowing creators to focus on content quality without the pressure of personal branding. This can lead to authentic creative videos. Retention strategies. Engaging content that tells a story or presents challenges can lead to higher viewer retention rates and repeat visits to the channel. Unlocking streaming secrets. Utilizing effective streaming techniques, such as audience interaction and scheduled content, can significantly enhance success for faceless channels.